Join me on this journey and change your life, but also change the lives of others. One of my big goals this year is to reach 1 million students. I want to change the lives of 1 million students. Please join me on this journey. Please help me help more people change their lives. You can get involved. You can help me help others by telling people about this giveaway. You can help me change the lives of others by, for instance, subscribing to my YouTube channel. Why? Because if you like this video, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, it means that my reach on YouTube gets bigger. It means that I can help more people through these giveaways. Those things make a big difference when it comes to the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm will look at the watch time of this video. If you don't watch the entire video, YouTube will suppress the video. Less people will know about this giveaway. So you can help me help others by doing simple things, such as subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be giving a whole bunch of courses away today. A lot of you have asked for the Ethical Hacking for Beginners course, so that's the first giveaway. You can use the links below to get the course for free. If you want to support Kevin and I, you can purchase the course, but otherwise get the course for free. I'm also going to be giving away my Wireshark course, as well as my CCNA course, and the Network Plus course that Kevin Wallace created. When I ran a poll yesterday asking you which courses you want me to give away, a lot of you asked for Python, so I'm going to be giving away my Python for Network Engineers course. You can also get access to the 52 Weeks of Python course, which Chuck Black created. He's a software developer with many, many years of experience. He knows what he's talking about when it comes to software development, so you can get the 52 Weeks of Python course for free. Now, if you can't get access to the courses on Udemy, I've also put links to the courses on my website. Okay, so I really hope you enjoy these giveaways. I'm going to try and run giveaways on a regular basis. I want to help more and more of you change your lives. Please comment below. Let me know what types of giveaways you want. Some of you have asked for CTFs, so I'm going to see if I can organize that. Some of you have asked for additional courses, which I haven't got created at the moment, but I'm going to try and work in the background to create more and more content that I can give away. Okay, I'm David Bombal, and I want to wish you all the very best. Go out there and make the most of your life.